Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Today I am on my terrace to harvest cauliflowers and carrots. It gives me a lot of pleasure to harvest these myself. Friends, see, these are the seeds of cauliflower and these are the seeds of carrot. I hope you also are fascinated to see the power these tiny seeds have in them. They have in them beautiful plants which grow out only when we sow the seeds and water them. Otherwise, they are just seeds, just lying, hiding inside the power to grow into gorgeous edible plants. Even though it's not enough, they provide me a lot of satisfaction as these are organically grown. Means no chemical pesticide or fertilizer has been used to grow these. So these are super healthy to consume. As these plants are grown in a natural way, their leaves are also tempting and will be used by me either in a salad or in kneading the dough. And these little hard ones will go into my compost. The kind of food we have on our platter means a lot as it leads to our being healthy or unhealthy. I agree that it's not possible to grow everything we eat, but then it doesn't mean that we shouldn't grow at least some which we can grow organically. Friends, my genuine purpose to say so much is to motivate you to grow whatever little you can at your place. I promise it will give you a lot of satisfaction and happiness. See, this is what I could harvest today. Growing these winter vegetables is not at all tough, but they give us immense delight and a feeling of fulfillment. Friends, can I request you to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you find it useful? And please share it with your friends and relatives who you think will be motivated to grow food on their own. Bye for now. See you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.